Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a face mask and a lip mask from SooAE. If you guys haven't heard of this mask, before, this is the Hydration Alert Sensor Mask. This is supposed to make a star imprint on your face to let you know where you need more moisture or where you don't. From my understanding, it says on the back, monitor moisture levels and mask application time with a smart mask that alerts you when skin is at its optimal hydration levels. This innovative sheet mask has a unique star print that functions as an alert by gradually changing colors based on moisture levels and temperature of the skin during application. The formula helps to deliver excellent hydration and provides calming benefits for radiant and bouncy skin. This is what she looks like. So cute. We got these from Gem Beauty when we went up for the Ipsy's weekend in New York in October. So I'm so excited to try this bad boy out. Star print. We've got to see if this really works. And then of course we're gonna do a little lip mask for some. This is my collagen hydrogel lip patch, and I believe this is just for smooth, moisture, plumped lips. I just need some moisture. It's that time of the year where the seasons are changing, so we gotta make sure we're taking care of our skin. And since this mask is a new product from SooAE and the holidays are coming up, who doesn't want a cool mask to try out and put in a stocking stuffer? So let's try this bad boy out and see how she does.
First, we're gonna put on our little headband.
Headband ears are on properly. We're going to, it says clean your skin thoroughly, apply toner and a serum. Well, I cleaned my skin already with my micellar water, and I did my toner with my new Dickinson's spray. We will talk about these in another video. So let's unfold and place the mask onto your face, carefully lining holes for your eyes and lips. Smooth out air pockets with your fingers. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. All right.
It's spray everywhere.
It smells like your normal, like aloe-y smell. Nothing fancy in the container. You can see. You can see this is the mask here. It looks like there's stars on it. Very syrupy. Very syrupy. Now I was reading this. It's supposed to be for hydration, soothing, and smart mask. I didn't see these on the bottom. Smart mask. Smartphone smart mask. A big mask. I like those. That means they'll fit my face well. Oh, 20 minutes. We're gonna. Those always hurt my head. They're too tight. I'm not seeing any stars. I'm kind of sad about it. Maybe that means my hydration's good. I focus on hydration a lot, but some of this, like the redness, like I break out in my cheek area and in my neck area, and some of this I can tell is breakouts, and some of it I'm looking at going, not so much, but let's peel her off because she's starting to dry out. You can see. Just take her off and see how my skin looks. And you can see where the stars would be on here. They had shown up. Let's work, girl. So there we go. She's done. Even though we did not see the stars, my hydration is pretty good. I don't generally have any dry patches too much unless I've been picking, which I know is a no-no. So don't do what I do. Don't be me. But anyways, definitely feels supple, feels good. My skin was looking so tired and angry today, and this definitely gave it a boost. Feel a little glowy. I did an extra skincare last night, so this was a good jump start for the day so that I can jump in and do some makeup so that my skin can look extra fresh and everything like that. So I would give the mask a thumbs up. I do like the mask from SooAE, even though the stars didn't come out, but maybe that means my skin's good and I don't have a super lack of hydration. I'm assuming the stars come out either when it's like super dry and everything is gone out of the mask, or if your face is super hot. I don't know. I mean, I'm generally a very cold person. So anyways, I hope you guys love this little like mini video and the review on this. If you guys like the review and everything we did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any other reviews. We're gonna be doing a ton of stuff over the next couple months for the holidays and tutorials and everything like that. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.